In here we built our closet entirely out of pallet boards and 1x12s. So we got 12-inch boards from Menards and made all of our shelving, all of our brackets. We found a couple old poles, conduit poles, and made those. We used 2x4s to kind of block everything up. We even used our ceiling boards to cut out little notches to hold the poles for our clothes. So the price of the whole build, since we got the pallet boards so cheap, almost free, was around $100 or so for the lumber. So I think it turned out really nice, his and hers.